What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi not connecting issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open quick settings panel. Now from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. And after that tap on Wi-Fi and from here turn on and off Wi-Fi 2 to 3 times. And after that the Wi-Fi will start working properly. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone and Wi-Fi router. So to restart phone, swipe down and open quick settings panel again. Now click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try resetting the network settings. So for that open settings, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then again click on reset to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that the Wi-Fi not connecting issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.